Today, y'all, we're doing a cocktail. This is going to be a pineapple coconut mojito. So for this recipe, you're going to need some rimming sugar, some lime juice, white rum, pineapple coconut juice, pineapples. You're gonna also need some of our cocktail picks, some mint leaves, limes, a glass, of course. We're gonna need our muddler and our, I guess you want to say, the thing that we put our liquor in and our stirrer. I don't know the technical term for that, but anyways, let's go. The first thing we're gonna do is cut our lime because we need to align our glass. So I'm going to cut the lime down the center. And I'm gonna set a half a piece to the side, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it again. All right, and then it's gonna leave me with one wedge, and then I'm just gonna take my knife and cut that down the center just so I can glide it across the rim. So I'm gonna push this to the side. There you go. I'm gonna grab my glass, and we're gonna take our lime, and we're just gonna make sure that we're getting it wet because we want our sugar to stick. And there you have it. Now that our glass is rimmed with our lime, we are going to place it in our sugar. And we're just gonna twirl, 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 twirl. And you will get a green rimmed cup. We pushed our cup to the side. We're gonna cut our lime because we want the lime to go inside the cup. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to slice it in slices like this, and you'll see why. So my slices look like this. And now we're going to start creating our drink. So what we're gonna do is take our limes, and I'm going to take 2 of those and place it at the bottom of the glass. And then I'm going to take some mint leaves and also place those in the bottom. I've already rinsed them. That's what you want to make sure. And we're going to release some of the oils from the mint leaves and the limes. So we're going to take our muddler and we're going to place that in there, and we're just going to muddle it. If you don't have a muddler, what you can do is use the back of a wooden spoon and just make sure you're releasing the oils. That's all I'm doing, is just pressing down and releasing the oils. So I'll work on this. Now that we've released the oils, it should look like this, but don't worry, we're gonna make it look good, guys. So next, we're gonna go ahead and just add in our ice. You wanna fill it up to the top. There we go. And after we do that, we're going to start measuring out our liquor. You always want to start with the liquor first. So we're going to take our, I guess you want to say, our measuring spoon, and we're going to pour in 2 ounces of our white rum. Use whatever rum you would like, but this is my choice, Captain Morgan. I'm just pouring those 2 ounces. After you pour in those 2 ounces, you're going to then pour in 4 ounces of juice. So let's pour that. After the juice, you're gonna just pour in a splash of lime juice like that. And then we are going to take our spoon. And we're just gonna stir it up. Bringing things to the top. There we go. And our drink is finished. So let's work on our garnish so it can look pretty. So for our garnish, we're gonna use some pineapple, some lime, and some mint. So we're going to use our cocktail pick. So pretty much what we want to do is just make it look cute. So I'm going to take my pineapple and slice it so that I can put it on the pick. And I'm just going to push the pick through. Then I want a lime. Push that through. I'm gonna put a mint leaf on there. So pretty. I'm gonna do another one. A lime. See, it's just however you want to do it. Like literally, however you see fit. It'll be cute however. And we have our cocktail pick. So we're gonna move this out the way. We have our drink, and you just place that on top and it's all done. And I'm gonna give you an aerial view. Enjoy. Okay guys, we are all done. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and we will see you back at the next happy hour. Enjoy.